Hi, my friends. Come, let me tell you how I made this vegetable salad. You won't believe the green vegetable that I added in the salad. Can you have a guess? Can you just guess before I start showing the recipe of the things that I added here? Okay, let's go. So I brought out my bowl, as you can see here, and I added coleslaw. Yeah. So this coleslaw is a mixture of the purple cabbage and the white cabbage and some carrots. And that's a sweet corn that I just poured in there. Yeah, sweet corn is a very good addition to vegetables and it helps to bring the fiber there. Now, this is chopped spinach. You guys know spinach is a very good vegetable that is packed with lots of nutrients that nature just gave to us. Those are bell peppers. Bell peppers has a lot of vitamin C, and yes, I added it there. So today I used tuna. Of course, you can choose to use any protein of your choice. If you don't like fish, you can replace with something else. But this tuna added one oomph to this salad. It added some kind of flavor that I really love. Like, I love fish. So for our dressing, I use ranch. Ranch is one of my faves. Okay, so I was very generous with the ranch. Hold on, I am not done yet. I am not done yet. Okay, so yes, I was very generous with it because I wanted that fluffy, you know what I mean? Okay, let's go turning. So we went ahead and after I turned right, I added some tomatoes. Well, it's optional, but yes, I love tomatoes. Okay, and some boiled eggs, chopped some boiled eggs and added also. Yeah, so just go ahead and fluff everything. See, it's already looking yummy. My family enjoyed this vegetable salad. They really enjoyed it. And this is my secret ingredient, Parmesan cheese. This Parmesan cheese was a game changer to this salad. And I was also generous. So I went ahead and added some Parmesan cheese that gave it another flavor, So I just turned fluff. And that was it. That was it. Oh my God, this was a side to our dinner on this very day. Okay. And it made us this vegetable salad kind of I will be doing it more often, and I also encourage, you eat more of this vegetables more often this way. So I was eating it. I could even I didn't feel like I was eating vegetables not cooked. You get what I mean? So it was like a very good, interesting, and yummy way to take your fresh veggies, right? So yeah, and that was it. That's just it. There's no rocket science to this. Easy peasy. And yeah, so when I served the rice and stew, and guess what came by the side? Voila, the vegetable salad. Tan 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 tan. Yummy. What else would you like to eat with the vegetable salad? What else would you have loved to add to this vegetable salad? I know making vegetable salad is an open-ended kind of meal. You can throw it whatever you want to. There is variety of ways you can do it. So go ahead and tell me in the comment section, how else would you have loved to do this? What else would you have loved to throw into it? So that is it. So I just, brought banana because my husband likes banana. Yeah, he likes his banana. So this was a dish I served him, and he so much enjoyed it. The rest members of the family, they really, really enjoyed it. Before I could say Jack Robinson, the bowl of salad was done. He was done. And you can see him, he's almost done. Like, the salad was the first thing he scraped. So I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.